Good morning, children. This is the unit about unit number 3 about magnetism and effect of electric current due to the magnetism. So, in the unit end last class climax this is our last chapter, last topic in this unit. So, last topic. So, it's about galvanometer, how to convert into voltmeter. That is the topic is given in this last topic. ஸோ லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் நம்ம இதே மாதிரி கேல்வனோமீட்டரை எப்படி அம்மீட்டராக மாற்றணும் அப்படின்றத நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம். ஸோ உங்கள் எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஞாபகம் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ எல்லாருமே தரவு பண்ணியிருப்பீங்கன்னு நான் ஃபீல் பண்ணுறேன். ஸோ லைக் தட் திஸ் ஒன் ஆல்சோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின், வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஷின். நவ் வி வில் செக், நவ் வி வில் டிஸ்கஸ் ஹவு டு கன்வெர்ட் galvanometer into voltmeter. So galvanometer பார்த்தோம்னா it is used to measure small amount of current. So deflection is very sensitive. எல்லாமே நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம். And here we are converting into voltmeter by this simple method. Then what is the use of voltmeter? This voltmeter is used to measure potential difference in the circuit. அப்போ when we are measuring the potential difference, this voltmeter should be connected in parallel connection in that circuit. நல்லா மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. நம்ம அம்மீட்டராக இருந்துச்சுன்னா we connected that as series connection. This voltmeter we are connecting here as parallel connection because இதை நம்ம series connectionல கனெக்ட் பண்ணோம்னா it will draw maximum current. அப்போது the electrical circuit will affect. அப்போது அம்மீட்டர் கனெக்ட் பண்ணால் ட்ரா பண்ணாதனா yes definitely not. That's why we are connecting in the series, and this voltmeter is always connected with the parallel. Okay, next we are coming to the topic, and this topic last class na oru word எழுதி காட்டினேன், that is GALP. ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Galvanometer is converted into ammeter. For that, low resistance are connected in parallel. This is for what? Galvanometer into ammeter. Galvanometer into voltmeter you have to keep in your mind GVHS. Okay, you keep in your mind GVHS. இது எப்படி நம்ம சொல்லலாம்னா galvanometer is converted into voltmeter. For that, we are using high resistance in series connection. புரிஞ்சிச்சா? Don't confuse between these two questions. Galvanometer is converted into voltmeter. For that, high resistance are connected in series connection. இதுதான் இதில் நம்ம கான்செப்டாக யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். Have you understood, children? Yes, good. And now here the point, this is the key point. So this is what I told already. The voltmeter is always connected parallel. Okay, and now for this principle in this galvanometer to voltmeter, the principle we are using here is high resistance in series connection with the galvanometer. It gives the result of voltmeter. Chariya, and check this figure 3.62. So this is called as this combination is called as voltmeter. So what connection is there? Very simple. ஒரு galvanometer ஒரு high resistance. This is the symbol for resistance. உங்களுக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும். This is galvanometer, and these two are connected in series connection. About series connection also you know very well, and it gives the answer of voltmeter. So this connection is giving the voltmeter. This voltmeter is connected in circuit to measure the potential difference. Okay, say the two terminals A, B. We are passing the electric current through the circuit Ig. The high resistance value of resistor is RH, and galvanometer resistance, say that is we can take as Rg. Okay, in series connection potential difference will be variable, but electric current will be same. இது நம்ம செகண்ட் யூனிட்ல பார்த்துருக்கோம். சீரிஸ் அப்படின்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட் சேமாக பாஸ் ஆகும், பொட்டன்ஷியல் மட்டும்தான் டிவைட் ஆகும். ஓகே, ஸோ based on that concept we are using the formula here. Say I is equal to Ig. So in this circuit the passing current which is also equal to Ig, galvanometer current, across the galvanometer current. And now here we are using the formula from Ohm's law. What is Ohm's law? V is equal to IR. Right? What is the Ohm's law? V is equal to IR. Then what is I? I venuna, I is equal to, we can write as V divided by R. Okay, V is equal to IR is formula. If we need I means, we can write the formula V divided by R. So that we are using here. Using this term, we are writing this equation. Ig is equal to, Ig is the current across the galvanometer. This Ig value is equal to, we can write as potential difference divided by total resistance. That is from Ohm's law. Okay, and for total resistance, using the circuit diagram, we can write the equation RV is equal to RG plus RH. We can write the equation RV is equal to RG plus RH. We are substituting this in this equation, and after substituting that, we are getting the equation Ig is equal to V divided by Rg plus RH. Okay, then we are writing RH value here. RH is equal to V by Ig minus Rg. So what we are writing, RH is equal to V by Ig minus Rg. And in this derivation, it is a simple method. So from this equation, we can write Rg plus RH is equal to V divided by Ig. Then we can send the Rg to left hand side. Then we will get the equation RH is equal to V by Ig minus Rg. This is the equation we are getting here for resistance. And now we can note, we can understand from this equation. See here, Ig is directly proportional to V when Rg and RH is constant. So we can write, whenever the electric current increases, voltage is also increases. We can say clearly from that, because the current is proportional, which is flowing through the galvanometer, is proportional to the potential difference. So the voltmeter having the very large resistance, so it should be connected parallel in an electrical circuit, because if it is connected in series, it will draw maximum current. Then an ideal voltmeter is on which has infinite resistance. Then only it will give perfect result when we are connecting with the circuit, electrical circuit. And some key points are given here. One is, as we know, voltmeter has high resistance instrument. It is always connected in parallel. Then ideal voltmeter should have high resistance, that means infinite resistance. In order to increase the range of voltmeter, n times of the value of resistance to be connected in series with the galvanometer. Then we can write the formula RH is equal to n minus 1 of Rg. Okay, these are the key points are given here. So with these key points, this unit is getting over. So இது கொஞ்சம் பெரிய யூனிட் நம்ம சொல்லலாம், but it is important unit for higher studies too. நீ higher studiesல physics பேஸ் பண்ணி படிக்கிற அப்படின்னா கண்டிப்பாக these topics and these concepts will be more helpful. Okay, and you mark questions in this from the topic of galvanometer to voltmeter up to key answer, including this diagram. Write question, explain the derivation, how to convert galvanometer into voltmeter. This is the question, important 5-mark question. And also this is last topic in this unit. And next, after this unit number 3, we'll start unit number 4. So this unit 4 is also like a unit 3. This is a big unit and more informative and more important unit 2. Okay, meantime ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்காக இருக்கும். So we can understand, we can share many ideas. ஸோ நம்ம ரெகுலர் லைஃப்பில் அப்ளை பண்ணுறதுனா எப்படிலாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், எலக்ட்ரிக் பவர் எப்படி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுறோம், ஹவு we are sending the electric power from one point to another one point with the help of transformer. இது எல்லாமே இந்த யூனிட்டில் நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த யூனிட் இஸ், திஸ் யூனிட் நம்பர் 4, எலக்ட்ரோமேக்னெட்டிக் இண்டக்ஷன் அண்ட் ஆல்டர்னேட்டிங் கரண்ட். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த யூனிட், electromagnetic induction and alternating current. Okay, so here we are starting with the topic electromagnetic induction. So அப்படின்றப்போ we should recall the unit number 3. So first, the scientist Christian Oystead, Christian Oystead explains, whenever an electric current flows through a conductor, நல்லா நோட் பண்ணிக்கோ, ஒரு கண்டக்டர் வழியா electric current flow ஆகுது அப்படின்னா around that conductor there is a production of magnetic field. So it was discovered by the scientist Christian Oystead. இது ஒரு டர்னிங் பாயிண்ட்னு சொல்லலாம் ஃபிசிக்ஸில், நம்ம லக்ஸரி லைஃப்பில். இட் கிவ்ஸ் கிரேட் இம்பேக்ட் till now and also in future too. Great impact நம்ம லைஃப்பில் கொடுத்துருக்கு. Then later the scientist Ampere, he proved the current carrying loop behave like a bar magnet and also he derived the equation. So in these two topics we can understand many things. அது வரைக்கும் கரண்ட்டும் வேறு எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி வேறு நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. After the Christian Oystead experiment and his explanation, we understood it is more important and there is nothing difference between that. So using magnet we can produce electric current, then using electric current we can produce the magnetic field. So that were explained. So later in experiment, Michael Faraday of UK and Joseph Henry of USA, they did the same experiment which was explained by the Oystead but in reverse order. So what is the reverse order is, Oystead பார்த்தோம்னா எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட்டை கண்டக்டரில் ஃப்ளோ பண்ண வச்சுக்கிட்டு அதிலிருந்து மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட் ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னார். இவங்க என்ன பண்ணாங்கன்னா அப்படியே ரிவர்ஸ், யூஸிங் த மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்ட் we can produce the electric current too. So this is the experiment which was explained by the Faraday. Okay, இந்த யூனிட்டில் நம்ம அதை பற்றி தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அண்ட் ஹியர் ஒன் ஸ்மால் இன்சிடெண்ட். What is the incident அப்படின்னா, Michael Faraday were explained, he gave lecture and he explained with the demonstration. என்ன demonstrate பண்ணார்னா, using the magnetic field we can produce the electric current. அப்போது அந்த demonstrationல ஒருத்தர் கொஷின் பண்ணுறாரு, yes Mr. Faraday, your experiment is very good. From the magnetic field how to produce the electric current, it gives a lot of ideas to us, but what is the use அப்படின்னு கேட்டார். அது வரைக்கும் we did not know what application it will give, but now it is the great impact in physics. We have to understand that. So அவர் சொன்னார், so what is the, then Michael Faraday replied with the question, what is the use of small child அப்படின்னு கேட்டார். இது ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு இன்சிடெண்ட். அந்த சைல்டு தான் இப்போது வெரி ஹியூஜாக வளர்ந்து நிற்கிது இன் ஃபிசிக்ஸில் மட்டும் இல்லை, எல்லா டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்லேயும் இட் இஸ் மெயின் யூஸ். Okay, and now we'll see the what is called magnetic induction and how to define அதெல்லாம் பார்ப்போம். So before that, here we will see the small definition. It is about magnetic flux. So here the magnetic flux with the symbol phi b, which is defined as the number of magnetic lines passing through area of normal or given area. So these magnetic lines of course are passing normally in a given area. How many number of magnetic lines can pass? This is called as magnetic flux. That equation is given here as phi b is equal to integration a b vector dot dA vector. So what is the equation here? We having integration a b vector dot dA vector, and here the angle theta is the direction between magnetic field and outward normal of the area. Okay, and here the expansion of this equation, the diagram representation for magnetic flux, number of magnetic lines is crossing through given area எப்படி போனா perpendicular போயிட்டு இருக்கு, that is shown in this figure. Suppose the plane normal and magnetic field both are having the angle theta. If it is theta is equal to 0 means, here it is given theta is equal to 0 means this is the dot product, we can write as ba cos theta. Then theta is 0, cos 0 will become 1, the answer will become ba. Suppose it is exactly normal, then theta will become 90 degree, then cos 90 will become 0, then there is no magnetic flux. And SI unit of magnetic flux is Tesla meter square, and also we can say with the unit Weber. Then 1 Weber we can write as 1 Tesla meter square. This is about definition of magnetic flux. Next one example 4.1. We're having a circular antenna which having the area of 3 meters square is installed at a place in Madurai. The plane of the area of antenna is inclined at 47 degree with the direction of Earth's magnetic field. If the magnitude of Earth's magnetic field at the place is 4.1 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla, then find the magnetic flux linked with the antenna. We have to find out the magnetic flux. So first we have to note down what are the data are given here. Magnetic field is given, that is B, so 4.1 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Then angle is given 47 degree, so we are comparing with the normal. 90 minus 47 is 43 degree. Then area is given as 3 meters square, so we are having all the known data, known values. Then we are using formula 5B is equal to BA cos theta. So what formula we are using here? 5B is equal to BA cos theta. Then substitution 5B is equal to 4.1 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 3 into cos 43 degree. So how to check this cos sign? நம்ம 11th லே practice பண்ணிருக்கோம். Then we are writing here cos 43 degree. Then 4.1 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 3 into 10 to the power 0.7314. We are multiplying and we are getting the answer as 89.96 into 10 power minus 6 Weber. That 10 power minus 6 here is written with a symbol of mu. So we got the answer for the given question. Now the example 4.2. A circular loop of area 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters square. It rotates in a uniform magnetic field of 0.2 Tesla. If the loop rotates about its diameter, which is perpendicular to the magnetic field, as shown in the figure. Find the magnetic flux linked with the loop when its plane is normal to the field, inclined 16 degree to the field, then parallel to the field. So these three data are given. And now we are writing known data. Area 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters square. B is equal to 0.2 Tesla. Then first question is, it is normal to the field. Then we are writing here, if it is normal to the field, the angle we can write as 0 degree. Then BA cos 0, B is given 0.2 and A is 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Answer is 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 Weber. Then next is 60 degree. Then inclined to 60 degree means you can write as 90 degree minus 60. It is 30. Then cos 30 we are substituting square root 3 divided by 2. We are solving, we are getting answer 8.66 into 10 to the power minus 3 Weber. Then last one is parallel to the field. It is parallel, then it gives the angle of 90 degree. Then BA cos 90 degree we can write as, here it will become 0. So we got the answer for all the three questions. So hope you are understood about this sum. Sharia, if doubt we'll discuss through WhatsApp. Individual question கேட்டுக்கலாம். And for today's homework, you do this example 4.2. இது ஃபுல்லாக தரவு பண்ணிக்கோ. தென் இந்த கொஷினை ஹோம்ஒர்க் பார்ட்டில் எழுதி வச்சுட்டு தென் ஆன்சர்ஸை நீ பார்க்காம ஓகே ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி ட்ரை பண்ணு. கேன் யூஸ் லாக் புக் ஆல்சோ விச் இஸ் கிவன் எண்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ் யுவர் வால்யூம் 1. ஸோ ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்கள். இஃப் எனி டவுட் யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க் மீ. Then after finishing this homework, you take image, then you send that image to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, and remaining topics we'll discuss in upcoming classes. Thank you, children.